Hello everyone, welcome back to Paper Hearts vlog, and I got a parcel from Nagaland. So let me unbox it together. Okay, let's unbox it. 이거 하나도 드시래. 알았어. Start. Oh, so cute. So cute. Oh my goodness, that's like... Okay, so we got some noodles there. Oh my goodness. I didn't expect this pumpkin, yeah, really. Oh, our favorites are here. Fish. This tuna fish is like basically like me and my roommate's favorite, so they're here. Sardines. Anyways, I don't know what is this. That's not open. I have soap all the way from Nagaland, so here they are. Soap scam and oh, not much. I don't know what is this. I think dry fish and akumi gana. Okay, let me unbox this one. It's so easy. I mean, like, oh, I don't know what it is. It's like it's like this. I mean, it's like for keeping these accessories and all. So let's see what's inside. Kare. Oh, bracelets. I got some bracelets inside. I think I need to open shop. And I have some earrings there. I don't know what is this. I think this bracelet or necklace, or I don't know. Okay. And surprise! Someone kept money here. I don't know whether it's intentional or not, but basically I don't know. So that's it. Let's just. That is like a mystery only, and I don't know what is this. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, it's broken. It's also broken. Basically, the parcel came all the way from Nagaland. So this chopstick was broken. So sad. See, so sad. It's broken. Thank you so much for sending me this parcel, and expecting more parcel from home. And yeah, this chopstick got broken, so more or less I want another chopstick. So this evidence that I'm not lying or making stuff like that. Anyways, that's all. Thank you for watching. Keep on supporting. Bye. 안녕.